I want to warn you that this process deletes all data from the flash drive that you will use. So always back up your data from all the drives that you will use and disconnect other devices so you don't format anything else than the USB flash drive. That's all. Let's start the video. Hello, today I wanted to show you how to create an installation USB for unsupported Windows 11 computers. So first we will go to Firefox, and if you don't have the Windows 11 ISO, you will type Windows 11 ISO and then just click on the Microsoft download Windows link, select the multi-edition ISO download, and then select the language, and click on download the ISO. I already have downloaded it, so I don't need it. Okay, let's imagine that you have already the ISO file. Next, we will go to and search for Rufus. Then we will download the latest version and open the file. It's recommended to have at least 8 GB of memory on the flash drive, and you can use any flash drive even more than 8 GB. So I'm going to use this 64 GB USB flash. So I didn't say this in the video, but if you look closely, like here, it says the device that you are going to write the ISO file. Check carefully if it's the correct drive, okay? So you don't lose any data. Because as I said in the start of the video, this process deletes all data on the USB storage. Flash drive, because it's pretty quick. So let's select the ISO, Windows 11 ISO, and then when we have the ISO selected, we just click Start. Remove the requirement, secure boot, Microsoft account. You can select here what you want. We need for this tutorial is for unsupported versions, so we need these two parameters at least, and you can select the other if you want. Select OK and just wait. Okay, so now the ISO is in the flash drive. The only negative side that you can't boot secure boot, I think. I'm not sure if it boots on secure boot or no. In theory it could work. I don't know, you need to test it by yourself. Just in case, if something doesn't work, try deactivating secure boot, but I think it would work. So I don't know what happened with my microphone on this video. It's strange, I don't know, I hear like strange sounds, So if you hear some sounds, it could be my microphone. So yeah, this happens when you buy cheap stuff. And I'm not talking about the dog on the background. I'm talking about the sounds like, I don't know, errors in my microphone.